up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now today we're going to be learning how to draw a cute cartoon fairy. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. But one more thing, if you guys aren't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Once we're done with this drawing, let's go see.
So to begin, we're going to start off by making the shape for the head. Fantastic! Now on each side of the neck, we're going to make one curved line. These will be the shoulders for our fairy. Awesome, now on each side of the head, let's make one small C-like shape for the ear. Now slightly below the neck of our fairy, we're going to begin to make one big V-like shape. Now to the left and right side of that V-like shape that we just made, we're going to make one line coming down on each side. Fantastic! Now let's go ahead and let's begin to make the arms and hands of our fairy. Now once we're all done making the hands and arms, we're going to begin to move into the middle. We're going to begin to make a flower-like dress. Wow, this is coming along very well. Now let's move up top because we're going to begin to add some hair for our fairy. Now once we're all done making that hair, every fairy has a pair of wings, so we're going to go ahead and give our fairy a pair of wings right now on the left and right side. Whoa, those wings look magical. Now for the next step, we're going to go down below because we're going to begin to make the legs and feet for our fairy. Those legs and feet came out very well. Now for the next step, let's add a small T-like shape in each ear for our fairy for a little bit of detail. Awesome, now inside of the face, we're going to make 2 small circles. These will be for the eyes. Now inside of each circle, we're going to make a very small pupil for the eye of our fairy. For the nose, we can make a small C-like shape. Now above each eye that we just made, we're going to add eyelashes as well as eyebrows. Okay, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, so we're almost finished, but we're not there just yet. For the next step, we're going to begin to make our fairy smile with a basic U-like shape. Now for one of the last steps in making our fairy, we're going to outline each wing that we have previously made. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now let's get ready for dance party color time.